It is a good idea to clean the printhead and the platen roller whenever you change the media. We recommend using genuine Printronix AutoID cleaning supplies and media. Using a cleaning pen, wipe the pen back and forth across the printhead. Cleaning the platen roller is easier if you remove the front cover first. Then using a cleaning wipe, gently rub it across the platen roller while using the white gear to turn the roller. Be sure not to rub the wipe over the blue sensor as it could damage the sensor. Now replace the front cover. Keeping your printer clean will improve print quality and longevity.